So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE? Your boy's back with another video, and today is finally the day. I'm dropping off the car at Motec Services, bro. Shout out to Ray, shout out to everybody. And then it's on, boy. It's on, bro. Like, let's get it. Oh boy. Skirt. That should be Gucci. Like I said, got everything over here, so that's good. Big shout out to Ray at Motec Services, bro. Big shout out. Shit. Kill me. Dude. That's ridiculous. God damn.
I like how you gotta look into it, it's fucking clean, bro.
It used to be a dead body. I put the wrong body on that myself.
I remember I used to see you. You work at HB, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sir, yep.
You know, you always.
JJLEE Squad, your boy Jordan is back, and the install is complete. I'm gonna put a couple videos before that, the first start of about a 2-minute idle and stuff like that. But the cam is on, the install is complete. This baby sounding awesome. I already got the bass tuned in right now, so that baby is chopping, warming up. I'll go ahead and take y'all outside. I don't want to let it warm up because I already gonna put like a first start up in the video, so I'm gonna let it warm up, get a little chopping, let y'all hear it. And this baby is different, y'all. It feels like so good. I'm getting tuned by Brent Hughes, if y'all didn't know. He's out of Indiana. He's doing my email tune. So we're gonna do that, hook that up, bro. And we're gonna get it dialed in. But so far, the tune he sent me now, the trance feels great. Whenever you hit it, it feels great. It's like it just wants to jump out from in front of you, bro. That's how sensitive it is. And it just wants to go. It just wants to push you. But install was pretty easy. Took about 4 days. Gotta wait 500 miles just to break the cam in. We used like some cheap oil just to break the cam in. I still got mine. We're royal purple and they gave back, so we're gonna do an oil change in the next 500 miles. So, you know, we can probably break in the cam. I'm not gonna go too hard on the cam, but I am going to let it break in, let it the proper break-in period. But let's go ahead and go outside real quick, and I'm gonna let y'all hear this, baby. Said, man, I'm gonna get y'all some pulls and everything. Don't worry, I'm just do the proper break-in sequence so I can actually, actually dig into this bitch and push this bitch. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can hear, like the inside is rocking, so that bitch, bro, like this is crazy. I never expected it to have like a CAMSHAFT, bro. Like that's what I'm just saying. Like, bro, all you gotta do is work hard and stay motivated, and you can accomplish a lot of cool ass shit, bro. Ooh, boy, I'm broke, but shit, this was worth it, my nigga. But I got a CAMSHAFT, bro. Put my own wide body kit on there. If you come on now, look at what I do. Y'all can do that shit too, bro. But I'm pretty happy with it, bro. The install was good. It's chopping. Let me see if y'all can still hear it a little bit. This baby just going. Of course, I'm gonna get y'all a little more pulls in. I'm gonna probably just break it in a little bit first, get the data logging out the way a little bit, and when he calls for wide open throttles, that's when I will update y'all again on the cam. But after the cam install, I worked all day, picked the car up, but I just crashed, bro, because I was just dead. I was waiting on the car. I think, yeah, like I said, it took 4 days. Shout out to Ray and Motec Services. Shout out to James installing the cam for me, bro. I ain't really hooked it up, but go if y'all need any mechanical performance or even regular like oil changes, go to Motec Services, bro. Ask for Ray or ask for James. They will hook you up, bro. Tell them Jordan sent you. But your boy got a CAMSHAFT and the grind don't stop, bro. I got another surprise coming, so stay tuned, bro. Like I'm serious, stay tuned. But damn, bro. Like I just gotta sit here. I'm gonna go around the corner a little bit real quick, just me in the car, cause it's like, damn, I came a long way, bro. But again, shout out to my boy Dalen, shout out to my boy Jason, shout out to my boy Tonga and the Hemi CJ, bro. Like all of y'all been awesome help, bro, when it came to this cam and just letting me know everything I need to know. So y'all stay tuned, man.